Fun with fire. Roman candle time. I love Roman candles. It's from Boomer Fireworks. Roman candle 5 ball. But as you can see, it comes in a pack of 3. So it's going to be 15 ball. Shoots flaming balls. Do not hold in hand. Is there an item number? Item number? Maybe I gotta take it out of the package. Maybe I can find it then. Let's take it out of the package and look for the item number. Look, it's got like balloons. Oh, those are balls. Let's check it out. Let's see. Aha! So I found it. The item number is the BM1806. So you know me, when I do Roman candles, you can't just do one. We're gonna do all 3 at the same time. So let's check out Roman candle 5 ball from Boomer Fireworks. Let's check it out. All right, let's give it a try. Here we go. Did we get them all? Let's see. Huh. Okay. I guess we didn't get them all. I think we got them all now. 2 more. All right. I think we got them all.